Here, first term is given, d is given, n is given. We have to find out nth term. We have a formula of nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we'll put all these values here and we'll obtain an. A is 7, n is 8, d is 3. 7, 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. And this is multiplied by 3. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. This is nth term of this AP. Now in the second problem, we have to find out D. We'll apply the formula of an, a plus n minus 1 into d. An is given to us 0. A is given minus 18. N is given 10. And d we have to find out. We'll shift this 18 on this side. It becomes plus 18. 10 minus 1 is 9d. 18. Shift this 9 in the denominator. So we get d equals to 2. Here we have to find out 11th term of this AP. The first term is minus 3. So a equal to minus 3. Now d. D will be second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. It is minus 1 by 2, minus minus plus and 3. Take 2 LCM, minus 1 plus 6. That is 5 upon 2. It is D. We have to find out 11th term. So n equal to 11. Now use the formula of an. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. Put these values n equal to 11, d equal to 5 by 2 and a equal to minus 3. Here a 11, a is minus 3, n is 11 minus 1 and d is 5 upon 2. Minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 upon 2. These two are cancelled. Minus 3 plus 25, which is equal to 22. The 22 is the 11th term of this AP. Here we have to find out this missing term of this AP. The first term is given 2. Second term is not given. We have to find out. And the third term is given 26. A3 is equal to 26. Formula of A3 is A plus 3 minus 1 into D. We have applied the formula of an. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 26. So it becomes A plus 2D equal to 26. Put the value of A here. 2 plus 2D equal to 26. 2D equal to 26. Shift this 2 on this side. 2d equal to 24. So d equal to 12. Now we need to find out second term. Second term is a plus 1d. A is 2 and d is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. This is the second term of this AP. Here we have to find out the missing term of this AP. The first term is not given. We have to find out. Second term is given 13. Third we have to find out. And the fourth term is given 3. Second term. For the second term we have formula a plus 1d equal to 13. Fourth term. For the fourth term we have formula a plus 3d. It is actually a plus n minus 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3, so 3d equal to 3. Now we will solve these two equations to find out a and d. Subtract these two, cancel. D minus 3d, 1d minus 3d is minus 2d. 13 minus 3 is 10. So d equal to 10, shift this in denominator, minus 5. D is minus 5. Put this value of d in the first. So a minus 5 equal to 13. A equal to 13, shift 5, it is 5, 18. So the first term is 18. Now we need to find out the third term, a3. Formula is a plus 2d. A is 18 plus 2 and d is minus 5. So it is 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. So the third term is equal to 8. Here it is given which term of this AP is 78. Which term is 78? Which term means we have to find out the term number. Means we have to find out n. And we need to find out. A is given 3. D will be equal to second term minus first term, that is 8 minus 3, 5. Now let this will be nth term of AP. We are assuming that nth term is 78. We have assumed that the nth term is 78. Put the formula of this, A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 78. A is 3, n minus 1, D is 5. Shift this 3 on this side. N minus 1 into 5 equal to 78 minus 3. N minus 1 into 5 equal to 75. Shift 5 in the denominator. N minus 1 equal to 75 upon 5, which is 15. N minus 1 equal to 15. Shift 1 on the right hand side. N equal to 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term is 78. This is the final answer.